Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. We're gonna get right into it. So we have the. I mean, that was a good break and retest right there. That was actually super clean, but that's a lot of bullish volume right there. And on the 2 minute, that looks good. That looks good to the downside. Um, but I'm not. This is my no trade zone. If you were on live this morning, this is all my no trade zone. So we're not touching the market there. We're gonna let it do its thing because the pre-market level is bullish. Let it can bounce, right? It can sweep, reclaim, and then maybe see an upside. So I'm good. We made our money today. So let's see the watch list first, and we'll go over kind of um, what happened today. So say good morning, y'all. Let's get it. We got SPY above 671 to 674, so that didn't hit. And then we got below 663 to 660, that didn't hit. Right, that's probably a little far fetched. Probably a little far fetched, given the fact that it's out of the money a little bit. Market would have to make a pretty big move, but those are the breakout levels that I had. Nvidia range, I said below 181 to 179, right? Below 181 to 179, never went below. And then above 183.5 to 185. We never broke above. So Nvidia has been ranging. Tesla has been ranging. Meta has been ranging. So I think y'all get the gist of what I'm trying to tell you, right? So the trade that we caught today, right? We could have done the same thing with Meta actually, but it was. I mean, we've had to catch this like the first 10 minutes of the day. I don't like taking trades that fast personally. That's typically when I lose the most. It was decent for what it was, right? I mean, super choppy start, just disgusting. Broke below, but then we had the pre-market level here. I'm like, no, it's probably just gonna bounce. It's gonna fake out a lot of people thinking that's gonna go to the downside because it broke that. And then sure enough, the next 5 minute candle reclaimed and closed. So as soon as we got this candle close right here, this is when I called to the chat. I was like, all right, let's do some SPY calls, right? So entering SPY call 666.5 stop loss, which is right here, right? So that's how sniped it was, right? So we entered and then it closed and then perfect. So 666.5 stop loss. And then still in chop zone. If we stop out, then I'm done for the day. More than likely, right? So this 10 minutes was a little choppy. 2 minute, I was like, all right, we're just coming down one more time, right? I didn't want to add to it. I just wasn't as confident in the market, so I left it how it was. And sure enough, it ran straight up to take profit. 15-minute fair value gap right here. You put it right there, actually, but yeah. So I mean, literally, that's gorgeous, right? So fake out, reclaim, retest, take out the sell side, and I always take out the buy side. So now that's what I was saying. It's just ranging so hard. So we're done for the day, and that's all you gotta do, right? I was able to record it live. So every single day I'm going live on YouTube. All right, every single day, every morning before the market opens, like I did today. I'm answering questions. I'm looking over market. I'm looking over preferred stocks that you want me to look at. And we're just kind of talking, hanging out, and I'm letting you know what I see for the day on the live this morning. I said we could look for a sweep and reclaim right here. We could look for a sweep and reclaim here, which would have worked on both ends. You could have taken sell side or you could have taken buy side, and both of them hit TP. Right? That's just ranges. So now with that candle close, I think it might push. Now we took out lows again, came back and retested. And this candle just closed here, so that's a good entry to the downside, right? Well, it closed here, but That's a good entry. When the candle broke above this level, came back below it, cool. Entry, stop loss, take profit, previous lows. I think, yeah, I mean, so I'm saying this is my no trade zone. I think we're just gonna chop. All right, guys, your boy Mike Lowy, Lowy Trading Academy. Make sure to lock in, like, comment, subscribe. Come make some money. Come learn about stocks. Let's have some fun.